Hai korang, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So as usual, I will always be in the mood lah. Whatever video, whatever work, whatever task list, blah 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 blah. I really don't want to do anything. This is so called like macam my dressing room macam tu lah. Sebab yang ni so called like macam this room nampak tak macam ada mascara pun kat sini. I mean like whatever. So thank you much. Really not in the mood for doing a lot of things. So selalunya saya macam akan like macam ni lay down the whole day, baring je. Tak adalah macam still doing something lah, macam masak, kemas rumah, silat baju, bla 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 bla. Mostly on the resting lah, sebab macam kalau for me, saya sendiri tahu kalau saya jenis macam terlalu buat all the work, buat je kerja non-stop, I will not become productive at all. I mean like saya akan jadi marah-marah. So normally I would take like 1 day to 2 days untuk like really enjoying the moment of not doing anything. Sometimes perlu juga tau sebenarnya, sebab kita akan like macam heal the body by relaxing, like massaging ke, kalau kata awak suka letak massage oil ke apa semua, terpulang. Really do whatever that you want. Baring je, buat tak tahulah, letak lah macam I mean like rumah ke apa ke, muka ke macam mana ke, you don't care. Just let the time flare. So I think ramai orang yang suka macam nak like appear good. Of course, kita semua nak appear good. Kita nak macam we want to look confident. Kita nak rasa kita ni berjaya ataupun kita capai sesuatu. Feeling accomplishment is totally a good thing. But you still need to remember, kita kena ingat yang rest day pun perlu. Sebab the day yang you tak ada rest, the week yang you tak ada rest, you are going to be sangat-sangat exhausted, like lebih penat daripada penat lah. Kalau tired is tired, exhausted you akan burn out. So you akan like the day tu dia akan pushing so much. So that's how it works. You kena berehat juga. So bila you dapat cukup rehat, your body will like thank you so much. So itu sahaja untuk video kali ni. I just want to share some of my thoughts. Saya punya macam idea ke, macam little bit of whatever moment. I call it like whatever moment, like, apa-apa pun, like whatever. Even like I have my cookies here. Okay, so sambil-sambil baring-baring kan, kadang-kadang bangun makan cookies. I'm not a huge fan of a sugar food. Tapi bila mood ni macam ni sampai, dia memang akan berasa ada apa yang ada. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.